How to Check Connected Apps with YouTube, Step-by-Step Guide 2025. Welcome to How to Mastery, your guide to mastering every tech feature easily. In this video, I'll show you how to check all apps connected to your YouTube account, step by step. Let's begin. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to myaccount.google.com. This is your main Google account settings page. Step 2. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account that you use for YouTube. Step 3. On the left side menu, click on Security. Now scroll down until you find the section called Third-Party Apps with Account Access. Step 4. Click Manage Third-Party Access. Here, you'll see a list of all apps and websites that are connected to your Google and YouTube account. Step 5. If you notice any app that you don't recognize or no longer use, simply click on it and select Remove Access. This helps keep your YouTube account safe and secure. Step 6. Extra tip. If you use YouTube Studio, you can also check connected apps by going to studio.youtube.com, clicking on your profile icon, Settings, Permissions, Connected Apps. That's it. You now know exactly how to check and remove connected apps from your YouTube account, keeping your privacy and security in control. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more smart tech tutorials. Only on How to Mastery.